Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing?
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. There's no one else can like you do. That's why
Don't mind the same look as my last video where I pranked my sisters. Yeah, I basically did 2 videos in one day. Your girl's car is so filthy. About to do a deep cleaning. It was time to clean this car. I'm gonna have to, I got my vacuum, I got this, everything. So let's get into the video. Let's start with, we're gonna work from the back to the front. As you guys can see, this is how, ooh, it looks so dirty. This is the back. It's a mess. Look at the shoes that my sister left. Look at this, guys. Oh my gosh. It's so dirty, y'all. Let's see the other side, my side. So dirty, so dirty. Okay. We're almost there, y'all. It's a lot of work just to do this car, but it's coming out really good. So, which is really good for me. I didn't know that how dirty this car was. This car. I need to take a break, so good. Just finish vacuuming. The inside is looking so good. So now I'm gonna take my Clorox wipes and I'm gonna like wipe things down. Listen to some music, and I'll definitely will get back to you guys when I get a little closer to being done, and I'll show you guys the look of my car, how clean it is, and go from there. So I'll see you guys in the next clip very soon, okay, y'all? So my camera is actually dying now, but I just finished a little bit. This is the look of the inside. The front, don't mind that. I have to return those 2 things. So my little teddy bear. This is the back. Excuse the lighting, y'all. It's getting dark. It's like 8:30, I think. And this is the back. So way better than how it was before. I just have to do some little more cleanup here and there, but that is the look of my car. Finally finished. So let me close this deep cleaning car video for you guys. That is basically it. I'm just gonna finish picking up things in this car, but it was pretty good. That vacuum that I was using, my sister got it for me for Christmas, and I believe she got it on Amazon. It's so good. It was my first time using it. Finally got to use it. So yeah, so now the car smells good and clean. Smells really fresh. I don't use the air freshener, and then when you have it for so long, the smell goes away. So I like the smell of brand new cars. So I still have the scent a little bit because I got it, I want to say, I think I got it in November of last year. So yeah, guys, my camera had died. Yeah, it died on me, so I have to record on my phone. But basically that is it. I was saying that I replaced the air freshener scent with some decors, my sunglasses. So I'm actually getting bitten by mosquito bugs, so I'm about to sign off and head inside before these mosquito bugs start eating me alive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys want to see another car cleaning. I can make that video for you as well. Super excited I was able to clean this car. Get to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.